Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato soup with ground beef. Start by browning the ground beef in a large pot over medium heat and drain excess fat. Add onions and garlic and cook until soft. Stir in diced potatoes, 4 cups broth and seasonings, then bring to a simmer. Cook until potatoes are tender, mash some for thickness, finish with cream or milk, and taste for seasoning. Begin by heating oil in a heavy pot and sautéing onions and garlic until fragrant. Add ground beef and break it up while browning for even texture. Toss in potatoes and pour in 4 cups of broth, then bring to a simmer. Add salt, pepper, and a bay leaf as desired. Cook gently until potatoes are very soft, then mash some to thicken and stir in cream for a rich finish. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for kitchens that get messy while you cook, with voice control and smart mapping to save time. It cleans crumbs while you simmer, giving you one less thing to worry about. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When potatoes are tender, mash about 1/4 of them in the pot to create a creamy base without a blender. Stir in 1 cup of cream or milk and warm through without boiling. Adjust salt and pepper, and add a splash of vinegar or lemon if it needs brightness. Serve hot, topped with chopped parsley, shredded cheese, or crispy bacon bits for contrast and texture that makes each spoonful comforting and satisfying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.